So let me tell you about the latest AI music generator. It's not about Suno. It is not about Google Flow, used to be Producer AI. It's not about audio. This is AceMusic. So what makes the AceMusic different from any other AI music generator? Jumping into their website, when you go to create, you can see here with AceMusic, you have the option of generating the music right inside the cloud, and you have the option of installing into your computer so that you can have it locally in your computer. But it comes with some of the settings that you have to download and install and set them up. That will be for another story. You have the different engine to generate the music with, AceStep 1.5 XL Turbo and AceStep 1.5 Turbo. So you can either choose from these two to generate your music. Let's go back again to the cloud. As usual in any other AI music generator, you have the simple describe what kind of song you want to be generating, and then you can click on generate here to generate your song. You have the custom here. You type in the lyrics, you type in the prompt, the type of music that you want to. And here is something a little bit different from any other AI music generator, which usually you have to type as a prompt. But here they have set it under the advanced option here that you can select the duration of your music, the tempo, beat per minute of your music, and then the time signature, and then the key which you want to start with, what kind of chord, A major, C major, A minor, and different chord that you want to start your music with. You also have to upload the reference audio here so that you can be able to. And you have the remix here. You can type in your prompt, describe the prompt, the type of music, and you remix the song again to different kinds of music that you want to. And then you have the edit here. In the edit, you have the option of uploading you have the lyrics and describing the prompt. Again, at the remix as well. And then you have the lyrics prompt and advance. So you know why it is different? AceMusic is different because right now it's totally 100% free. And you have the option of generating your music in the cloud, and you have the option of installing right into your computer as local so you can use. Again, it needs some of the settings and you have to download and set it up. And why it is different again? You have all these settings here, which usually in the other AI music generator, you have to type down the tempo, what kind of key you want that you want the music to start with, and all this. But with the AceMusic, you already have the settings, you just have to set it up. Okay, so there you go. It is 100% totally free at this time. Why not go down and try that out? Thank you again for watching.